Yo guys, welcome back to another Nvidia update video. Today I'm be talking about my thoughts and what to expect next with Nvidia. As you can see, up 2.5% today. And we got a little false breakout above this pennant that we've been chopping in for quite some time now. But guys, are we ready to break out? That's kind of the question here before we get into it. Guys, I do have a Discord where I post live trading updates for both Nvidia and Tesla every single day. I post about 10 updates for each stock, letting you know key levels to look out for, good buying positions, when we extend to one side of the spectrum or the other. And of course, load from the world for me. Huh. I don't know why I saw loading. Guys, I do have a Discord where I post live trading updates for both Nvidia and Tesla every single day. And, you know, key levels to look out for, good buying positions when we get extend to one side of the spectrum or the other. Definitely go check that out. The link's in the top of my description. There's a free trial. And of course, if you have any questions, drop them in the community chat. I'll definitely get back to you on that. So heading into the analysis, guys, it looks like we barely closed above this green level, which is the 190 level. So it's looking like we're closed above 190, just barely. But what does this mean, guys? Does this mean the bulls are back, having a daily close above that 190 level? Does that mean that 190 is a support now? And honestly, I do think these daily closures have been a bit of a bear trap, as we closed the day 2 days ago at 170. We closed at 171. Everyone thought we were bearish, and then we had a huge rip to the upside. So I do think that these daily closures are a bit of a distraction. I don't think it means much that we closed above that 190 level in my eyes. Tomorrow, I could see a move back down to this 186 level, which obviously we have a lot of price action around. We were using it as support, dipped below, used as resistance, came above it again, back below it, above it, below it. So I do think that 186 level does need a nice retest. And honestly, because that 1 hour SMI is still extended to the top of the indicator, I would not be surprised if we did fall below it and come down to this top liftable zone at 183-ish. So short term, I do see bearishness. Guys, if we look at the daily time frame, we do have earnings on the 25th, and you know, stocks typically don't like to make a big breakout move until we get to earnings. So what I'm kind of seeing is, you know, some nice chop, partly, you know, downwards facing chop due to the fact that we are very sensitive to the upside in this parabolic move we just had. So once we get to earnings, I do think that's when we're gonna get that meaningful move up or down, and then we should head in that respective direction. So overall, I do not think we're ready to break out. Overall, I do expect some short-term bearishness. Watch how we react around that 186 level. If we come down to that level and get a nice push back up to the low 190s, and we can chop up here, let that 1 hour SMI reset, then that could be bullish, guys. That could be very bullish, and we could be breaking out of this pendant early. Right now, it would be a move above 192.5-ish. And if we do get a nice bounce and hang in the low 190s, I would let the 1 hour SMI reset if we do chop up here for a little bit. So that is definitely the bullish route. But again, guys, with earnings coming up on the 25th, I would expect, you know, kind of more a downwards facing chop before we get that breakout up or down. So yeah, guys, that's about all I got for you today. I do expect some more short-term bearishness, although if we can get a nice bounce off 186, use that 190 as support again, we could be seeing an early breakout here. And again, I'll be updating my numbers as the market is trading for both Nvidia and Tesla. Definitely go check that out. The link is in the top of my descriptions. And yeah, guys, I'll talk to you later. Peace.